How to use motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page. Next, look at the top left corner and click on the effects panel. Under that, choose Fusion Titles. These are ready-made motion graphics that you can use easily. Pick one you like and drag it onto your timeline. After you place it on the timeline, click on the clip and go to the inspector panel. Here you can change the text, font, color, size and other details to match your style. Then, if you want to make your own custom motion graphics, click on the Fusion tab at the bottom. This opens the Fusion page where you can build animations step by step. Now, add a text clause from the toolbar section. After that, use the inspector to set the text and create animations using keyframes. You can also add effects like glow or blur by adding more nodes. Finally, go back to the edit page, play the timeline and check if everything looks good. You can adjust the clip length or change the animation if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to use motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.